There are over 560 million crypto owners worldwide. Wow. I know, people are going to come out and say, crypto ZX, there's 8 billion people around the globe, but, this is nothing, but it's something, of course, right? Look at, where we were a few years back. 560 plus million. That is huge, and this really just shows where things are really heading. And I could not be more excited about that, of course. But yeah, let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening. Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP holders. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Continue supporting, and of course, your boy will continue to bring out these updates. But looking across the board, of course, we are going into Sunday morning. A lot of green as of now. Obviously, on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, but as of now, you are seeing the market looking really good, and I'm sure no one's really complaining. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with XRP. XRP's price $2.60, almost up 1% in USD, up 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 149.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume just shy of $2 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the SEC's crypto crackdown is crumbling. Ripple's appeal? Question mark. Likely the next to fall, says ex-SEC enforcement chief John Reed Stark. The SEC has already backed down from key crypto battles, with enforcement grinding to a halt. Now, major restructuring is underway. Crypto enforcement is out, and a new cyber unit is in. Why the shift, you may ask? Stark says the new SEC leadership is done fighting crypto in court. No more pushing digital assets as securities for now, and with crypto mom Hester Pierce leading a task force, the agency's future in crypto enforcement looks uncertain. Massive shakeup, legal retreats, and a leadership overhaul. Is this the dawn of a new crypto-friendly SEC? Are XRP holders about to get an ultimate win? A lot of people, saying before April we're going to see some sort of a lawsuit, hearing, or settlement coming across. As of now, obviously, we need to take those things with a grain of salt. But a lot of people have the Coinbase situation really, what people are focusing on. Could Ripple case really be next? But we have been hearing a lot of good information actually. So a lot of people are optimistic, of course, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Let's really see how the next few weeks go. But in terms of developments now at this point, things are starting to just look better and better and better. But moving forward, shout out to Smoke. XRPL can scale to trillions of transactions per second with the help of ILP and payments channels. This diagram below outlines how this works. So here we have it. You can see this for yourself. You can really see where XRP really plays a key role. So huge stuff, of course. When you obviously look at it from the technical side of things, these things really make sense. And of course, I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, why is this not really taking place right now? What if this is already taking place behind the scenes? Remember, there's a lot of NDAs that are signed that it's not available knowledge to the public. And remember, going back to just 3 to 4 weeks back, we remember SEC and Ripple, they told the judge to not publicly discuss whatever, they discussed in their hearing. So is there really things happening behind the scenes? Potentially, but in terms of, where the crypto industry really is going and the potential of, the XRPL ledger, really shining, it's definitely, the time for that to happen this time around, because of course, tokenization is a hot take. And remember, XRPL ledger is a one-stop shop for tokenization. And of course, with the likes of RLUSD, things just have changed completely. So great stuff, of course. And moving forward, to look at this, wow, there's a growing settlement gap for banks and financial institutions. That's why XRP is poised for a price surge as demand for real-time payment solutions increases. So very interesting stuff. Of course, I think it's just a matter of time where, banks integrate, blockchain technology, within their infrastructure. I know a lot of people and a lot of moon boys are going to come out and say, why are you not seeing, Ripple? Why are they not going to be, working with Ripple? But of course, that's something, that a lot of people want to hear, but we don't know. We can obviously speculate. Of course, if banks start using, RippleNet, and of course, the XRPL ledger, start tokenizing on there, obviously, that just changes the game. That just literally changes the game. But regardless of whether they're going to be using Ripple or not, they are coming, in the blockchain industry, they're coming for it, and they're coming very, very fast. You'll see we're already starting to see a trickling effect of that happening. But let's really understand and take a look at, what's happening with the price right now. So of course on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, but we have been seeing the dominance pulling down. Obviously, in the grand scheme of things, as I've said in my H bar update, the dominance is still quite high. So we shouldn't be really getting excited just yet. But the fact that, we did go down from the likes of almost 61.5% is quite nice to see. Bitcoin still not making up its mind, as you guys can see. Of course, we saw this massive, drop yesterday, after, that hack that happened, for Bybit, massive, one of the biggest hacks, for crypto markets. And obviously, that has had an impact on the market. And I really still do believe, this wick that we did see for Bitcoin was due to that. But are we about to see the price of Bitcoin reclaiming? Because, Bybit is back to, 100% liquidity. So could this really be short-lived? We'll see what happens. As of now, Bitcoin's still not where we want to see, especially above $98,000, but one step at a time. But if you're looking at XRP, XRP is showing very, very interesting things right now. So I want to really show you guys what I mean on the hourly time frame. So we're back in the 61.8. So of course, a very, very important zone, as you guys know. This red zone is where you want to see the price of XRP remaining, and as of now, that's exactly where we're sitting at right now. But you want to see the price remaining within this range. Obviously, I know people want to see those explosive moves, and I kid you not, when the price starts hovering up to the likes of the $3.30 or, hitting a new yearly high and starts heading towards all-time highs, this is where all the moon boys, all the big, people come in and, start saying, I'm the biggest moon boy, this and that, but nowhere here is people, going to be talking positive. Yes, I know a lot of people that, look at it from a realistic standpoint, understand, how big of a deal it really is for XRP to be sitting this, at this level, at this time, which no one could have seen happening in this just such a short span of time. And here we are sitting in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and yet, people are, kind of neglecting, the specific price action. People want to see those explosive moves, but it's part of the game. Patience is very much needed. As of now, we're bouncing back and forth, between the 38.2 and the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But, as of now, we're in the 23.6. Really, really nice to see. Of course, remember, the weekends need to be considered. We obviously want to kind of take the overall price action, with a grain of salt due to CME futures being closed. But so far, so good. Really liking what I'm seeing here for the XRP. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX. Peace out.